Hi guys, welcome to Scripted Success Master. We got a huge request to build end-to-end HR leave approval systems. So let's put it from the scratch and I will show how you can do it by yourself through Google Forms, ChatGPT and Google Sheets. No coding required. ChatGPT will help in everything. Okay, so let's start. Now let's go to forms first. So we need to initiate the one form. So I'm opening one form, just go on a blank form. Let's put it the title as a leave approval system. You can put your organization name. Okay. Let's start building with the first question. First question will be employee code. This should be short text, so I'll keep it as a short text, and this is required, so I'll keep it required. I'll just duplicate this question. I'll put employee name. I'll just keep it as a short text. Next will be employee email ID. I'll just make sure by clicking here it should be response validation and click it as a text and should be email. Okay, so what will happen? It will capture only emails. If any email ID is invalid, so it will trigger. Okay, same next question will be instead of email should be manager email ID who will approve the request. Okay, this is also text, should be email compulsory. Okay, let's go for a next question. Next question will be leave type. Okay, so will be leave type and let's keep it as a multiple choices or a checkbox. First will be casual leave, second might be emergency leave. I'll just keep third option as other. It is also required question. I'll just go for a next leave type. After leave type we should put start date. I'll just remove these options. Instead of checkbox this should be date. Okay, next question leave end date. This is also should be date. Next question will be duration. Duration, or you can call it something different. This will be checkbox. We'll put it as a full day. Next question half day. First half. Next question, sorry, next option will be half day second half. Okay, I think almost we have completed all the questions. Last and might be the optional question. I'll just remove it as a option. I'll keep it as optional. I'll remove these options. I'll put it as a short and this will be remarks. Okay, so our form is ready. So I'll just repeat. First is employee code, employee name, employee email ID, manager email ID, just to approve the case. This leave type, start date, end date, duration and remarks if any employee want to add it. Okay, then go to response. You will get a response sheet. So you will click here, create a new sheet. We'll click on create a new sheet. Go ahead and click on a new sheet. Before that, apologies, you can go here and you can put the form name as a leave approval system or anything you want. Here also you can put the name as a leave approval system. Okay, so here we got timestamp, employee code, employee name, email IDs, and everything, whatever questions we are putting here in the Excel sheet. Whenever any employee fills the form, the entry will come here. Okay, hope screen is visible. I'll just little bit zoom this. So now you can see the entire title. Okay, now let's start the using ChatGPT, where ChatGPT will guide us how to build the code for this. Okay, just copy this titles. Okay, go to ChatGPT, tell them I need to build leave automation system. Don't worry on the grammars, he will understand. I have made the form where questions will be like below, and same is visible on Google response sheet. Okay, so now what we have, copy pasted the titles. Let's paste it here, and let's put the commas after that, so he will understand where the title is changing. Okay, so I'm just putting the commas, start date, end date, duration, remarks, full stop. Okay, now next ask will be make one Google script where I just need to copy paste it in app sheet. I will guide how you can paste it, but just put this prompt, app sheet, email should be auto triggered to manager email ID, and email should have approve or reject button. You can color code the buttons in green and red. Okay, next our ask will be Google response sheet should have approve or reject link, so that if manager is on leave, so HR can approve or reject the request from those links. Okay, our next task will be all relevant info should be in table form in mail, like employee name, number of days leave, type of leave, or what we have mentioned as type of leave, employee name, employee ID. Okay, leave type, and bottom will be buttons. Okay, if you want to mention theme or font size, font type in the Google Mail, you can mention that also. Let's mention that I want mail in Vardhana font size you can optimize. Table in the mail should be neat and clean to view. Okay, now we have put almost all the inputs to the ChatGPT, and now let's click on the go so he can give us the information. So see, he is analyzing it. He will think for some time. If you can see, your chat title also will get changed accordingly. Okay, now see, nice. So he thought for 6 seconds because we have a go method with us. So see, whatever we have mentioned in the ask, he will summarize it in the point. So what it is saying, run on each form submit. By default, email contains buttons with the web app point. I will explain that also. Replace, so the important step will be approve link and reject link column should be in the sheet 2. Uses per request token. Okay, next notes will be replace the web app URL. So he has given the full code here. If you see, he has given the full code. Even if you don't have any knowledge on the codes, he is helping us with the total code. Okay, so what he is saying, replace web app URL placeholder with URL from the deployed web app instructions below. Attach copying deploy. So I will help you, and he has mentioned the same in this also. Okay, so what we need to do, paste web application URL. I will tell you how we can do that. Okay, see, you can see whatever titles we have given, he has considered all the titles and build the whole system accordingly. Okay, we should go down now and it will say how to deploy it. So let's go one by one. Okay, what it is saying, Google form response sheet, click on the green spreadsheet icon, open the response sheet. We have already done that. Okay, next will be in the spreadsheet, go to extension, go to app script and paste the above code. Okay, now just copy the code from here, go to the form, sorry, go to the sheet, click on extension, go to app script. Okay, it will load and it will show the basic interface. Okay, now whatever it's there, just go ahead and delete this and just Control V whatever code we have copied from the ChatGPT. Okay, go here again, change the title as leave approval system triggers. Okay, rename. Now go to ChatGPT again. Let's check for next step. What it is saying, in the app script, click on the deploy new development and select web application. For description, okay, and what it is saying, who has should be the access, should be anyone and anyone within your domain. You can select anything as per your domain approvals. Okay, we'll do the next steps now. Okay, go here, click on deploy. Okay, what is saying, click on the deploy and click on the new development. Okay, so this page will open. Click on the web app and what it is saying, new description, me, execute as me, and who has the access, anyone or anyone within the Google account. So as of now I am using personal account. If you are using office account, so it will show within your organization as an option also. So as of now I'll just click on the anyone. Okay, click on the deploy. It will load for a few minutes and it will show the links where, see, we need to authorize access first. Go ahead and authorize it. Advance, click on go to leave, continue. Okay, go down, select all, go down and continue. Okay, these are the options you are seeing because I am using the personal account. If you are using organizational account, might not be this much steps you have to do. Okay, now see, web app URL is ready now. You have to just copy this, click on the copy button, click on done, and what it is saying, replace the code where Google app URL is showing. You should note that you should change within this codes option. Okay, I'll just remove this and I'll just paste the code here. Okay, so whatever code I have received from the web app. Okay, I'll just save here. Let's go for next steps. Copy the app and paste on the we have done this step already. Now back to the spreadsheet. Under the Google app, to trigger this automatically function, you should click on form submit and save it. Okay, next steps, you go here, you already saved it, go to the triggers, click on add trigger, should be on form submit, then this should be head, then should be from spreadsheet, and this is the important, select event type, this should be on form submit. Okay, and you just save it. Okay, it will again ask for the permission or ask to choose the account. Okay, again go ahead and approve all. Don't worry, it will just asking the permission if you are allowing Google to trigger the mails on behalf of your email ID. Okay, just go ahead, go to the editor mode and click on the save. If it is option visible, then it is click on the save or it will auto save it. Okay, now go ahead, go again with this button and just refresh it. Okay, okay, now that page will go. Now next step, leave application system, we should now publish it. Okay, and publishing should be anyone with this link, or you can select the options here with the different views. Okay, as of now, editor view I am putting as a requested, responder view anyone with the link. Okay, I'll just click on the link. So publish form, I'll click on the publish. Okay, and it will show publisher URL. So I'll just click on the URL, I'll click here and I'll just paste it here. So this will the form view wherever your employees will use. Okay, now let's test the automation. Okay, whatever we have done, let's test it. Okay, I'll put the random or the test data. Okay, I'll put it here, test employee code, name, I'll just put my name here, Rishikesh. Employee email ID, I'll just put scripted success master email ID. I'll just copy it from here so that it will not get any errors. Next, I'll put manager email ID. As of now, I am keeping my email ID only, so that triggers will come to me only, so that we can test it. Okay, now I'll just click casual leave for a sake of selection. Okay, I am selecting from 1st to 6th. I am clicking on a full date. Remarks, I'll just put test remarks or just something like, oh apologies, just click on the remarks. Okay, and hit on the submit button. Once you submit button, this will submit it. You will get the entry here. Okay, you will get the automatic entry here. See, now as we have instructed ChatGPT, what he has done, you will get the approval link, reject link and approval token by default as it is. Okay, so let's test one form here. Okay, what we can do, just go ahead and add one more Google column here. Okay, let me open my Gmail. and let's check if I get the mail trigger. Okay, so see, you can see it here. I have requested and sorry, I have received the mail trigger here. So as we have instructed ChatGPT for all the buttons, so you will get the buttons here and you will get the information in the table format. See, employee name, ID, email ID, leave type, everything you are getting in the table format. Okay, and what it is saying, dear manager, a leave request has been submitted and details are as below. So, and subject also leave request, my name, employee code and full days leaves. Okay, so it is auto calculating everything, auto doing everything. So it is giving me the buttons also. Let's see, I'll click on the approve. One new window will open and it will show if it is approved or request. See, the request approved successfully and it is showing thank you. My request will be, you should stick on this page until this message will come. Okay, let's go back to the sheet and see. See, now it is automatically punching approve status approved and approver email ID as a approver email ID system. Okay, so this is nothing but the automated, fully automated system I have guided you through ChatGPT. So you can do it by yourself even if you don't have any coding knowledge or my previous mail or previous video if you have not seen. This is the end-to-end solution for your HR application system. Okay, I'll give you one short info also. You can click on the, go to the sheet, click on the plus button and add the sheet here. So you can put it as a employee history, sorry, employee code, employee name and total leaves. Okay, so what you can do, you can just add a pivot table here from this Google form sheet and you can have employee email ID wise or employee ID wise number of leaves he has taken in the full year. Okay, you can control that also from here and you can automate this also. This is simple thing, so I will not cover here. You can put just names, employee names here, employee codes here and just put some. If I will help you with the one example. I'll just put, let's say I'll put a test employee code. I'll just copy this. I'll just put here test employee code. I'll put the employee name Rushikesh. Okay, now what you should do here, you should put it as a count. Okay, or you can do one thing, go to the extreme right, right click here, click on insert column at the right, just put it as a date difference. Okay, why date difference? Because we need to capture the difference between start date and end date. Okay, go here and it will show date difference as a 5. Okay, go to this sheet again. Apologies, go to total leaves and put as a sum if option. Okay, sum if, where put this a tab, what it is showing first as a range. So you should go here, select the range from employee ID, go here again, comma, what it is saying criteria, click on the criteria here, comma, sum range. Apologies, what we need to sum should be the date difference. Okay, select the full range again, complete the bracket. So it will show the leave numbers again. Okay, hope you enjoy the video and hope you learn this automation through the ChatGPT. Stick with me for new ideas. I will help you with the same automations through ChatGPT. Even if you don't have any coding knowledge, you will do this end-to-endly with by your own. Okay, thanks for watching and subscribe to the channel. My channel name is Scripted Success Master. Thanks.